Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to yet another episode of the Binbot Pro trading software. So today is the 14th of January. And just to give you guys a quick update on what I've been doing. I think the most recent trade I didn't manage to record a lot because I was pretty busy with my schedule. So basically on the 11th of January, which is last Friday. So I've taken trades and have a 3 wins. So most 3 of the trades are test robot V3, which is the method D. So let's look at the graph of what happened. So the first 3 trades you see, the green arrow, are actually a winning trade. So the ATR was in between the purple and the red, and due to the stochastic cross over here, we enter a trade over here, and which caused a good winning trade. So and then the second one, which is also due to this stochastic cross right here, and because the stochastic cross, at least they have the red or the blue line goes outside the stochastic channel, the purple channel, which is between the 2080. So once it goes out, and then we'll take the next cross, one trade over here, and then the next one, which is over here, and we took this first cross. So generally when you see crosses, like if it crosses over here and then it's going to cross again, we're going to ignore, try not to take these 2 crosses over here, right? So we only take the first cross, and if you, let's say that if you log into your computer and you see this cross, you should ignore it and wait for either the red or the blue to go down all the way and goes outside the channel, and you guys can take this one. And this is a method C one, method C requirement is above red color. So because the ATR managed to hold above the red line, so we actually go for method C. So but at the end of the day, on the 11th, it was a massive profit. So definitely an account growth. So if we look at the balance chart, so I've actually managed to grow my account further to over 10k. So it's about very near 11k. So pretty good update so far, and very good first month of 2019. All right, so I'm probably gonna record some trades. Let's see, I generally don't really like to trade the first half of Monday, which is 0 GMT to 12 GMT, but I probably will give it a try. Maybe because it's been a while since I actually traded earlier, before 5 AM GMT. So I'm going to give this a shot. Perhaps if this ATR managed to hold around the purple line and the next stochastic cross, I probably going to give it a try. Alright, stay tuned guys for more demonstration on the Binbot Pro trading software using my method. And before we enter the next segment, remember to subscribe to my channel and also click the like button if you guys like the content. And more importantly, if you guys want to gain access to these methods, please feel free to email me at the contact you see on your screen. And if you guys register an account using my referral link, you guys will get this method for free. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so we have our first trade example over here. So the first one, the alert has just came out at about 356.12. So the ATR condition is at the purple line, so we'll be approaching this with method D. So what we gotta do is we gotta wait for a timer to reach 356.30 seconds, which is right now, and then I will turn on the robot V3 right now. So let's wait for a trade to be executed. Alright guys, so we have an open trade, a put trade at 357. Let me turn off the robot first. Put trade at 357, so it will be around this bar. So alright, yeah, so first trade of the day. Hopefully that this trade works out, and hopefully it's gonna be like a good start to the week. Hey guys, we're back. So unfortunately our first trade ended up a loss. Alright, so our first trade of the week ended up being a losing trade, but so no worries. I'm going to continue to monitor the stochastic cross for next condition, and we're just going to take for another trade. Alright, so be right back guys. Alright guys, so now we have a second trade. The alert is here, and the trade alert came out about 14:12 something, 05, 06. It's going to be it's not really a channel movement yet, unless it becomes like this somewhere in this region. I probably wouldn't like this type of movement. where it's like larger bars but it is moving in a horizontal channel. So I probably would avoid such a movement if I see one, but right now it's a small movement is contracting. So most likely it's going to continue upwards, but we're going to try. Okay, so oh yes, got some movement. Alright, so we have a trade open, a call trade at 4:13, the meeting of the robot. Alright, so let's see how this trade goes. Hopefully it's a good one. Well, anyway, if the ATR dropped too low, like way below, maybe if based on this graph, like we can see a super gap, like let's say around this level, I probably would stop trading because the volatility is probably too low and there will be no activity in the market. But based on this structure, there's probably very high chance that it's going to push the market back up again, but we will see how it goes. Alright, so anyway, if the ATR drops too far below the purple line, I will stop trading and resume trading later on. Well, as I said, I usually don't trade right now. I usually trade about an hour later, maybe 5:30 GMT. But I've tested before somewhere in this timing. It works okay, but that was like maybe a month plus ago. So this will be another instances where I test around this trading time. So be right back, guys. Alright guys, so indeed I was right. The price managed to hold on to this level even after the expiry, so definitely a win trade. So let me check the trade history. Clearly a win trade over here. Now our balance come back to 10.5 grand, so we're pretty much down about $300 from the start of the day, but no matter. In relative to my account size, it's pretty much almost break even. So this is the level that I was talking about, so it's a little bit too far off from the purple line, and when you see a lot of dojis like this and pair with like a below purple line ATR level, meaning it's going to be really quiet. Now it's probably not going to do much until maybe an hour later, so or at least that's what I always notice. So I'll probably be right back again later with more trade examples, so stay tuned guys, and hopefully everything is quite clear based on the method. These two trades are pretty much method D. That means in the ATR level that we're looking for is somewhere around the purple line to the red line, and which is one of the latest settings that I included in the methods or the PDF guide that I give to my subscribers that sign up using my link lately. Alright, so be right back guys, stay tuned for more trades. Alright guys, so we have another signal. Okay, it's 30 seconds, I gotta turn on the robot right now. Okay, the reason why I trade back because the ATR has recovered back near to the purple line. At least it was touching the purple line, so that is the reason why I actually came back to perhaps take one more trade in this session before I move on to the next session, maybe in like an hour's time or something. So yeah, basically the principles is the same as the previous two. These are the same method D, ATR somewhere above the purple line but below the red line. So let's see how this trade goes. Alright guys, so we're back here. So we have a put trade open at 4:33. Let me turn off the robot, and you can see the balance has reduced due to the trade. Let's see, put trade at 4:33. This has a pretty good chance to work out to our favor. So let's see how this trade goes at the expiry. So far it's looking really good. Alright guys, so we're back. So clearly we have won this trade, put trade, and if you see this, it was a deep win. So yep, so clearly the settings that I've updated clearly managed to call the right directions between the ATR level of the purple line and red line. So method D has been a huge success, and my balance right now is 11 grand. So pretty much let's say $500 up from the start of my session. So yeah, and this is my new balance chart. Let me edit it. I've just updated the balance chart. I think it's about here. Yep. So a new peak is formed at 11.3. I generally like to take maybe 3 trades in one session, sometimes 4, but most of the time it's 2 to 3 trades, and per day maybe 5 trades at tops. So that would be usually how I trade it, and I also do recommend you guys to actually follow steps like that. Alright, so that way you guys can actually specialize in either one method or like maybe a few, but at a specific time, so you guys over in the long term, you guys would be more consistent rather than forcing more trades, like maybe 20 trades or 10 trades per day. You guys probably will be exposed to more losing trades, and then the balance sheet will be more like zigzaggy. Alright, so alright guys, so sorry guys, I actually have executed a trade just now due to this X form at this stochastic cross. So it's right here, you can see it's already activated, test robot V3. So this is basically a method E, so the RSI went out of channel and I was waiting for a cross, and we have a open trade right now. So it's a call trade. So let's see, at this bar over here, I think it's about 722 or 721, let me see. Okay, yeah, 723 actually. So open trade at 723 call. So alright, so we're back. So basically we've already won this trade, and look at my balance standing at 12,000. So, and the price chart clearly shows that's in a really nice uptrend right after we enter the trade. So that's a very good trade so far. So alright, so I guess so far we have actually taken pretty much quite a few trades, and we've only lost one trade, and right now my balance stands at 12 grand already. So basically this is also a method E, different from the previous methods example you see in this demonstration. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it, and it's going to sum up my this current episode. I hope you guys enjoy some of the trade demonstration that I've shown you using the Binbot Pro trading software. So it's pretty much a Forex robot, but semi-automatic. I wouldn't say fully automatic. It's pretty hard to find a fully automatic system that works like where you can just click the button and then it's going to make you a lot of money. So that pretty much it doesn't really work without human intervention, so similar to Binbot Pro right now. That's the reason why I actually have some indicators in tradingview.com to help me out when should I turn on the robot. So that's pretty much a necessity for what we should do as a trader or a user for a trading robot. So but throughout this my journey using the Binbot Pro, I've actually used it since like June of last year. So I've also done 2 successful withdrawal. The first withdrawal was like 15,000, the second one was a huge 100 grand. Although the 100 grand requires a little bit more verification for bank transfer and stuff like that, but still at the end of the day I received my withdrawal with no issues. Binbot Pro has been working out really well for me. So if you guys are really interested to use Binbot Pro, I would recommend that you guys do not just turn on the robot blindly and just execute the robot without any reference. You guys should actually have some sort of like a method to actually help you guys out. So if you guys are interested in using my method, so please drop me an email at the contact details you see on the screen right now. And for subscribers that sign up for Binbot Pro using my referral link, you guys can get my trading methods for free. Else, if you already have an account, just drop me an email and we'll discuss how should we actually proceed from there. Alright, so that's all for now guys. So remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and so see you guys next time. Trade safe guys.